So sometimes you may have a clip that's really static or still, and you want to be able to zoom in on it and give it some extra depth, dynamics, movement, whatever. So here's how you do that. What you do is start from the beginning of the clip. So make sure that that clip itself is selected. And then you go up here, you make sure that you're in effect controls. You can do this from anywhere. Right now I'm in the color workspace, but the most important thing is to just go into effect controls from wherever you are. I'll hop back into a different, more editing workspace. So normally my screen might look like this, so I'm just going to go into effect controls. Just make sure that that clip is selected. So I've done that there. I'm just going to expand this a little bit so that I can see this a bit easier. Just, okay, that's not going to change. All right, so from here, what I'm going to do is just click on scale. So I've got, this is the bar that I'm working with, and I'm just going to click scale to add a keyframe. Then I'm just going to shift that over. You can also just have this all the way over to the left and click on the little toggle animation and make sure that that is creating that keyframe there for you. Okay, then you scroll over to the side. You can go all the way over to the right hand side, add another keyframe, and then just increase however much you want to zoom in. So you don't really want to do this too heavy, but if you then come back, you'll see how it zooms that in now. See how it's just adding that extra? If I just then go into this and delete it and delete that one, you can also just click that and it'll take them off and you can see what it was before. Okay, so to do that again, one more time, I click on the little toggle button there, make sure that this is all the way to the left, it's starting on 100, then I drag this over, I add another keyframe, I increase this, I make sure that it's all the way to the right. And now I have that zoom in. If you click on it again, you can further adjust how far in you want that to go, right? So, not there. This one. Okay. And that's it. Pretty simple. Hope that helps. Let me know if you have questions.